Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Asian Network News. Recently, Upsurge in an event on November 9 at the Hong Kong Gold Coast Hotel held a grand meeting identifying the IRC was listed in Hong Kong International Board. A number of entrepreneurs participate in this event for the development of the Hong Kong and the mainland venture, a big step forward. Now immediately, weighing the site conditions.
What is the role of Trampoline Capital in Hong Kong as international board?
海信資本咧，其實喺香港好重要嘅就係我哋睇到呢個香港國際版，佢未來嘅發展將會可以帶領好多嘅中小企由呢個中國嚟到香港作為一個跳板，再轉去上市嘅地方，亦都可以將好多國外嘅企業咧帶翻嚟去香港上板。咁對海信嚟講，因為海信係全創會第一間嘅創投公司，我哋都希望利用咗海信呢個嘅能力去結合中國同埋外國唔同嘅所謂嘅唔同嘅企業。希望能夠喺香港幫佢哋重新有個新嘅起步，而今日香港一個所謂金融市場入邊，我相信能夠有香港國際版咁樣嘅平台，會對好多嘅企業能夠做到一個好新嘅生機，好多活躍嘅作用。
Very good. Any comment?
香港國際版咧可以幫到好多唔同嘅中小企啦，咁可以咧不斷咁樣從一個融資嘅角度啦，然後慢慢走上去一個上市嘅階段啦，咁樣咁我好開心啦，咁海信啦，咁係會係作為呢個咁重要嘅基地嘅機構之一啊，咁樣咁喺往後咧，我哋就孵化會好多唔同嘅中小企啦，慢慢踏上呢個上市嘅階段。
Okay, thanks for your interview.